She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and take some carrot cake and turn those into carrot cake cupcakes. Now, carrot cake is known because it actually has carrots that are mixed into the batter. And then we have wonderful spices such as cinnamon, sometimes ginger. With my particular recipe here, I went ahead and used some nutmeg. So you have all those wonderful warm spices in there with that delicious carrot cake. So if this does sound good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. And share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of whenever I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so here are my carrot cake cupcakes, and I just went ahead and whipped up a quick cream cheese frosting, a homemade cream cheese frosting. Put that on the top, sprinkled it with some more walnuts, and there you have it, delicious carrot cake cupcakes. As you can see, the cupcakes were still nice and very moist inside. Again, this recipe can easily be transferred to a vegan recipe just by switching out the sugar and use, like some monk fruit sugar maybe, or you could also do almond milk instead of the regular milk that I use, and these would be perfectly fine for vegan carrot cupcakes. Definitely, I highly recommend these cupcakes, especially if you are a carrot cake lover. It's full of all those wonderful carrot cake warm flavors and spices. And don't forget, chopped full of carrots, hence the name carrot cake. So hopefully you guys did enjoy these carrot cake cupcakes. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, stop wasting time, just hit that subscribe button. It's free, and the bell next to it so you're notified of every single time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.